Hello there, it's Christian from Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Knaus Sport 400 LK. So we'll start off by taking a look on the outside of the Caravan. So at the front here, everything you'd expect on a UK van. You've got your Alco stabiliser and hitch. You've got 13-pin continental socket, your handbrake and your jockey wheel, which also has a load indicator on there, which is always handy to have. Now, on a continental van, you're going to find a longer A-frame. It means that you can have a bike rack fitted to the front, and it also gives you that extra stability. So you've got your gas locker there at the front. That'll fit 2 gas bottles, and you've got your window at the front as well with your grab handles. Now, coming round to the near side or offside in the UK, you've got an external television point just there. You've got a service door, which will take you directly under one of the front seats. You've got a window up above for the lounge area, and then a window just here for the kitchen space. And then down below that, you've got your vents for your fridge. Alloy wheels. Now, this Caravan's got a couple of extras on, so it does have the alloy spare that's fitted into the gas locker at the front. Always handy on these Continental vans. You find that you've got a bit of awning rail that goes around the arch, which is great for stopping drafts in the awning. You've got a one-piece deadlock secure door with an LED awning light up above and some really sort of trendy and modern decals the whole way round. So coming to the rear of the Caravan, it's got the Knaus Cat's Eye Evolution lights, which look absolutely fantastic lit up. Got the unique body shape at the rear as well. So it is an aluminium rear and it actually meets there just above the window. Now what you'll find with UK vans is you've got a whole piece back panel. Really large window there for the diner area to the rear. And then we'll come to the offside or near side in the UK. So having a good look round, you've got your cassette here for your toilet. Now, there is an onboard water tank on this Caravan, so it means that you don't have a separate one for your flush fluid. It literally takes it from the onboard tank. That's the inlet for your power there. You've got a frosted window just here, and that's where your wet room is. You've got the vent there for your Truma hot water system and the vent for the heating system. And then you've got the inlet for your onboard water tank. And that will bring us back round to the front. So we're going to jump in the Caravan now and see what that has to offer. So this one is a 4-berth. It's a double dinette setup. So at the front here, we'll have a good look at the upholstery scheme. It's a really neutral grey. You've got the grey tabards, net curtains, but all the windows, I must say, are fitted with fly screens and blackout blinds. There's spotlights with USBs in as well. So it is a really nicely spec'd Caravan. Really well built as well. You're looking at a German construction van. So double dinette, you've got the front set up here. That will set up into a double bed, a really spacious double, more like a king size. And then at the rear, you've got a dinette area and you've got a fold down bunk. So that bunk is really solid. It'll take up to 60 kilos. I weigh a bit more than that, and it's taken me. But I suppose disclaimer reasons. But yeah, you get your ladders and everything with it. You get this sort of mesh there, which clips onto the roof to stop anybody from falling out. And there is a blind which will pull across, as you can see here. So yeah, like I say, this area here does set up into a single bed. But, you know, it's great for 2 people as well. If you just wanted to leave the front set up into a bed, so you don't have to make that up every night, and you still wanted somewhere to sort of sit and have your dinner, you can basically just leave it as it is. And when that bunk is lifted up, you wouldn't even know that it is a bunk. Plenty of storage all around under the seats, and the seats lift up with the bases attached as well, which is, again, just another pretty cool thing about this Caravan. So kitchen space, you've got a stainless steel sink with a mixer tap. You've got the 3 gas burner Dometic hob. Got some worktop space there in front because they've sort of set that back. You've got the Dometic 3-way fridge. That's going to work on gas. It's going to work on mains. It's going to work on electric. And then you've got some drawers there to the right hand side of that for storage and some more storage space up above. Couple of plug sockets down here as well, and a light switch for this square light here. There's also one on the ceiling, and trust me when I say they are extremely bright, and it will light up this Caravan. The Caravan's lightweight. It's 1,300 kilograms full up. You know, it's short. It's literally just over 6 meters, and that's including the A-frame as well. So it's a really small, lightweight, compact caravan, but it does feel really spacious in here. And I think that's because of how versatile the Caravan is and what you can sort of do to change it up a little bit and have it to suit your needs. So you've got a really large wardrobe, top to bottom wardrobe as well. Large roof light. Again, the more light you let into small caravans, the bigger they feel. So with being the sport range, it's got a nice sort of feel to it. So it's got this grey boarding with coat hanger. And then we'll pop in and have a look at the wet room. So it's an integrated shower and toilet. You know, it saves on space, saves on weight. So it's a Dometic toilet. Shower tray down there. So that also works as your shower head with your sink. You've got some cupboard space there down below. And onto the side there, got a couple of spotlights and then a large mirror. So your shower curtain here, you can see this sort of air chamber. Now it's like a bike tyre that's been stitched in. Essentially, you pull that shower curtain round and it stops that horrible shower curtain sticky feeling. So basically, it stops the shower curtain from sticking to you. I can waffle on for ages. Another thing to show you is these door catchers on the Knaus. So as you can see, that door catches in, works on a magnetic system, so it doesn't push and damage any of the boarding, and that will literally just catch in there, so you can't open it. So there we have it. It's the 2023 Knaus Sport 400 LK. Any questions at all, you know, please get in touch. My name's Christian. You can get me on email at christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. Or pop in. We're open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday, 9 until 5, and then on Sunday, 10 till 4. Give me a call, 01777 838 193, and it's option 1 for sales. Well, thank you very much for watching.